The EU project EXCESS, Flexible User-Centric Energy Positive Houses, brings together 21 partners from 8 European countries and is funded by the EU Horizon 2020 Research and Innovation Programme. The aim of this 4-year project is to show that it is possible to transform nearly zero energy buildings into positive energy buildings. The project will work with 4 demonstration sites located in the 4 main EU climatic zones: Nordic, Continental, Oceanic and Mediterranean. In each of the demo buildings, different technical solutions will be introduced in order to produce more renewable energy than the building consumes over the course of a year, and to address specific climate-related needs.
I am Maria Cantalapidera from Urba Atelier architecture team. We are the technical office of Nivalis property and we are the ones designing the Spanish demo of EXCESS project. The EXCESS Positive Energy building is part of a urban and sustainable development called Nivalis Smart Solar City. It is located in the southern metropolitan area of Granada between the municipalities of Gojar and Vilar. Nivalis aims to create a 100% renewable and self-supplying energy system betting on sustainable mobility with zero carbon emissions. It is conceived as a place to live in harmony with nature and as a healthy space to live, work, enjoy, learn and share knowledge. The Spanish consortium of EXCESS project is formed by 5 partners: CENER, the project leader, the Andalusian Energy Agency, TRYCSA, NETxAutomation and Urba Atelier.
Richard Rogers is the author of Nivalis Master Plan. The project's program is developed in 2 residential neighborhoods which integrate eco-commercial areas, hotels, sport facilities, schools, public spaces, green and productive areas and other multiple facilities. In Nivalis, the most valuable areas of the landscape are preserved for the use and enjoyment of the community. The EXCESS demo case we are working on is located right in the main square of the first neighborhood. We are designing a residential building of approximately 30 units, which shares a commercial use on the ground floor where shops and restaurants will offer products grown in Nivalis productive areas. The design is developed in response to the current growing demand for efficient, sustainable and healthy housing with large terraces and community spaces especially designed to promote cohabitation. On the ground floor, the central area of the building opens up from the square towards the private common spaces, the green areas and the street behind. The vertical communication cores of the building have been separated at the back of the plot to turn them into ecological productive areas or vertical farms where the users of the building can grow their own food. The Spanish demo case will be a sustainable and positive energy building by minimizing the energy demand and producing more energy than it needs from renewable sources. The users will be participants in the benefits that the urgent and responsible energy transition will bring. We are taking advantage of a modular and carefully designed project to make traditional techniques and materials compatible, such as wood, applying industrialized construction systems as a tool to improve quality, reduce cost and execution times, or eliminate occupational risks and environmental problems. The building will implement new technologies and solutions like using geothermal wells to supply the building with hot water and heating. In addition, high-performance photovoltaic panels will also be installed on the roof, hence contributing to reduce the building's carbon footprint, increasing its energy efficiency. The surplus of energy will be used to recharge the electric vehicles in the building's car park and to share the energy with other buildings in the area. The building will also collect and store rainwater for community use in gardens and terraces. Integrated in the building's plot, we have designed community spaces with shared uses, workshops, small productive gardens, co-working areas, bicycle parkings, or a swimming pool that promote shared activities among residents and social life in common.
The new building, which is expected to be erected close to the city of Granada in the context of EXCESS project, will integrate a variety of innovative technologies and all necessary components to reach the positive energy building targets. The Spanish demo case will be one of the first positive energy residential buildings in Spain and in the Mediterranean climate. Its construction will foster the implementation of this kind of buildings in the Spanish residential sector, thus paving the way to a real energy transition. CENER, the National Renewable Energy Centre of Spain, is leading this ambitious challenge and coordinating the Spanish pilot activities.
We are proud to have this pilot running in Andalusia, based on the new concept of positive energy buildings, in which we are actively participating, providing us as a good practice to replicate it with its results and lessons learned to be analyzed by our agency, the Andalusian Energy Agency, in order to identify the best way for influencing policies and incentive programs. Each executed project must be an opportunity for regions and municipalities to influence policies toward a sustainable energy evolution.